This extraordinary invention was found by this man here. But you never know when some of these things could lead to total saving the world business against one other dish that everyone likes. Sausages. This is chicken nuggets versus sausages. Enjoy. Oh, it's been so nice relaxing here. If only a friend was here. Hello. What are you doing here? Just relaxing. Come sit here with me. I can't because of COVID, remember? Oh yeah. Anyway, we can sit as the two, can't we? Oh yeah, that's right. Oh no, it's the evil sausage. What the hell is he doing here? And he looks a bit under the weather, if you don't mind me saying. Yeah, that's because I came out of a bloody freezer. Oh yeah. Are we cooked? I think we are. I am here to do world destruction of all chicken nuggets. Oh no! So surrender or you're about to die. We can't die though, we're already dead. We're just chickens inside this big thing. Don't know what it's called. The batter thing, I don't know. That's fish, you idiot. Oh yeah. But anyway, surrender now. We're not gonna surrender to a long, cold thing like you. Who said we were bad anyway? My resources did. So say it proves. Surrender now or die. Okay, we'll surrender. Are you mad? Nope. Yes. But first, we must do Battle of the Century. Bring it on. Take that, you little mum. No, you take that. No, you take that. Oh, that's it. I'm down. Take some of that, you little rascal, and don't come back here again. That end.